Banks FX. Lord Banks FX welcomes you to this live stream of live Forex trading. A whole 3 hours of news.
We begin with that wild ride on Wall Street.
They're seeing new record highs on the S&P and NASDAQ.
Interviews.
Some will make money, some will lose money, but that's just the way the markets always work.
Analysis and live trades. So sit back, lock in, and load up your trading terminals. And let's get this rocket to blast off. Introducing your host, Lord Banks FX. Prepare for launch in 3, 2, 1.
Yo, what's good, everybody? Good morning, good morning, good morning. We are back. Welcome to Lord Banks FX. I am your host, Lord Banks. I live stream Forex trading every Monday through Friday, 12:30 a.m. Central to 3:30 a.m. Central. Welcome. RA Games, what's good? Good morning. Nairobi Hunter, well, hello there. Morning from Kenya, morning. Roma, what's good, brother? Oh, who's ready to trade? Let's get it. Yo, who took that call in my Telegram today? Man, solid 50 pips. Sent out this gold call on Telegram. If you're not on my Telegram, make sure you look in the description. Click the link. It's free. Send out trade ideas, analysis, breakdowns, updates. You don't want to miss that. Because I called the win earlier today. Yo, yesterday my stream cut off and I couldn't get back on. It was horrible, but I'm back today. Everything seems to be good. Got them 50 pips, yes sir. Yeah, so yesterday during the stream, this thing broke out to the downside. Had a really nice move. Came back, retested the breakout, and then melted during New York session. Really nice melt. Pulled back up into this area to some heavy support. Ended up pushing up right here. Once I saw this confirmation, this bullish confirmation, just looking for an entry here, and I think I got in on a smaller time frame. Jumped in there, rode that thing up, caught a nice pullback. Looks like it's continuing to fall to the downside, which would continue this trend, right? Anyways, we start from fresh, clean screens, clean. Look at GJ. GJ finally broke out, ended up hitting both take profit 1 and 2. I didn't take these, but this was the setup from yesterday. Nice breakout to the upside. Anyways, let's start with clean charts. Top down analysis. Let's look weekly. We are at the end of the week. We got 15 hours left. It looks like this candle right here has completely gone bullish. It's engulfing the previous candle. It's made higher highs from the previous candle, so it's no longer just filling the wick, right? There's a possibility we could come and test this level up here, right? 153.17, something like that. 153.20. So we want to pay attention to that. That's on the weekly though. You know, it's been bullish, came back down, maybe found some support there, continuing to the upside. We shall see. Let's look at the daily. Yeah, breaking market structure right there. Would have been a nice entry. Boom. To the upside. What does a 4 hour say? 4 hour. this little range right here. See this movement? I feel like this thing is already breaking out down here. Could have a nice range to the downside. About 22 pips right there. Testing that level. We could have this to the top side. 20 pips right there. Kind of at that level right now. Let's look at gold. Weekly is bearish. 15 hours left. Last week closed with indecision, low volume. It is on a bearish downtrend. Daily, also bearish downtrend. Well, it looks like it was on a bearish downtrend and it might have broken out of here. See, that broke out. We are pretty important area right here. So yeah, I mean, it makes sense that it's ranging right here, trying to find its way, whether it's going to continue going up or down. It's on the daily. 4 hour. This range right here. Got a nice little range to the upside if we break up here. 34 pips to the downside if we break down here. Gotta be careful with this level of support though. It might be just a big candle that goes through here. Break us down to the next level. Alright. To the downside. Oh. But if we were to break down here, we have, wait, how many pips is this? 56, damn, like 130? Yeah, but it's in this area. This could just be filling the wick, or still below. Yeah, actually I'll just keep it down here. To get, I guess, better confirmation. I mean, once we're lower, you know, because this could easily come here and then just reject. But I think that once we're creating a new low, we could follow that continuation down, get this, build this area over here. That's what I see. Okay, GJ's breaking to the downside. I had already set up a sell on this earlier. What I was looking at. Went into drawdown on some profit. this might just be melting right there. Might have missed our move. Let's see what the 15-minute is. Yeah, that last candle would have been our entry. 15 broken close. Maybe we'll get a retracement. Oh, you took a sell yesterday? 186. Here. Stop loss at 155. Oh, you were trying to go bullish. And it pushed down on you. Stop loss. Losses are part of the game, guys. Like, I mean, you hit a stop loss on yourself. That's why you have to follow a risk management plan, because there's no scenario where you're always gonna win. This is a game of probability. Like, you will hit stop losses on trades, but if you manage it correctly and your risk management will allow you to stay in the game, so you have more wins and losses. When you were losing that trade, did you document the trade? Did you go over it afterwards? Did you see where you could have cut it like shorter, like you could have cut it sooner instead of losing your whole projected loss? You know, those are the kind of things you want to think about after the fact, you know, to help you improve. So we're just waiting on our setup here. Potential buys or sells on gold. Remember, our job is not to predict price, it is to react to it. Oh, that's on the 30th. 36 pips right there. We have one level here to break and then potentially another one. So I might even take a buy above this. We'll see. See what the price looks like. We got about 6.5 minutes here on the for this candle closure. This candle closes here. I will probably get in 10 pip loss. First target here. Second target. Third target. Fourth target. Yes. See what we got for news. Friday, Swiss, Euro, CAD, pretty much good. What the strength looks like. Nothing on GBP, JPY through the roof. What are the losers doing? 62% are short. So it might be a good idea to sell this thing. We got about 5 minutes and we'll get candle confirmation and we'll enter that trade. If it's, you know, if it looks to be in our favor. Right now it's set up as it is, so if it was to close like this right now, I would definitely take it. Risking 10 pips to gain, like I said, the first level right here, about 15, 20 pips, and then leaving a runner. Guys, I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. We're on this GJ right now. We got about 40 seconds, 45 seconds left. Just getting a better entry really here. This right here be about 7 pip stop loss, 8 pip stop loss. Put your stops above the previous wick. Pay attention to your brokers, guys. Your candles on your broker in the 30-minute. That's where you would be. We got 15 seconds left here to enter. And 2 seconds. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and enter. So I got in at 51.68. Stops are above the previous wick. The small stop. Things should fucking melt. We are in an active trade, and we're going into some profit now. About a pip profit. On GJ. About 27 minutes candle, about not even a pip drawdown. Gold's consolidating. Oh, thing is pushing up. Just be a little patient, guys. It did go in a little bit of drawdown, about 2-3 pips. Coming back into profit. Somehow I was stopped out, but my stop loss wasn't hit. Oh, you gotta look at your broker about that. Maybe your spread. You gotta pay attention to your spread, guys. Make sure you're accounting for that. And your broker. We're in profits. We're in like 4 pips profit here. Thing is pushing down. About to hit take profit 1. Come on, baby. Hit take profit 1. So let's go. Hit take profit 1. Now got about 21 minutes, 21 and a half minutes left on this candle. Come on, baby. Hit take profit 1. There it goes. Take profit 1 was hit. We hit take profit 1, guys. So make sure you're doing taking action, man. Closing partials, close the whole thing, adjust stop loss to break even, do whatever you want to do, but take some kind of action. We still got a little bit, a couple of different levels here that we can hit. I mean, this could fall all the way down here, but we want to make sure we're not being greedy. And we're taking some profits here. We're up right now about 6 pips. We had a really tight stop on this one. Almost came out, stopped us out, but first went back down. So if you're just joining us, we already activated our trade ourselves here. Jumped into a sell on GJ, about 4 or 5 pips profit, hit take profit 1. Kind of pulling back away from take profit 1 right now, so want to be careful. Make sure that that you're adjusting your stop loss to break even, closing, doing something. Taking a nice little win on a Friday. Fridays are just because it's Friday and the volatility, you just want to be in and out of the market. You don't want to be in here too long. You don't want to get stuck in a trade over the weekend, you know. Make sure you're in and out. Oh. Still in this active trade, guys. We're in GJ right now. Gold is I was looking at this little level to break above to take a little buy right here, but because I'm in GJ, I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna over trade, over risk. Stay here in GJ. See how this plays out. We already hit take profit 1. I'll be right back, guys. Alright guys, I'm back. So we got about 2.5 minutes left here on this candle. We're currently in profit, about 5 pips here. And we did hit take profit 1. If you're just joining us, we are in an active trade. We took a GJ sell, currently in profit. It's already hit our take profit 1. Looks like gold ended up breaking to the upside here. Would have been in profit there, but didn't take that. Oh, been killing it, man. I called out a trade earlier on Telegram. Hit our take profit. This live GJ hit our take profit. And just been killing it. It's a good sign. Candle closing bearish. Got wicks to both sides. Got room to move. Looking lovely, looking lovely. About 9 pips in profit, 10 pips in profit. Pushing down. Come on, baby, let's go. Like a pip away from hitting on TP2. Oh, pulled back. What up, champ? What the fuck was that, GJ? It was like a pip away from take profit 2 and pulled up. So if you're just joining the stream, welcome to Lord Banks FX. I am your host, Lord Banks. I live stream Forex Trading Monday through Friday, 12:30 a.m. Central to 3:30 a.m. Central. We are currently in an active trade here. So if you're new, consider subscribing. Make sure you hit the notification bell. That way you're notified when I go live. And you don't miss out on trades like this. I also have the link to my Telegram in the description, where I call out trades, send out analysis, breakdowns, and updates. I sent out a trade on gold today that also hit take profit. So make sure you are plugged in so you're not missing out. Oh, that gold you called out today on Telegram was nice. You're welcome, brother. I saw it and I was like, man, the fam gotta eat on this. They gotta have some of this. So I sent it out. Thought it was a pretty good setup. Thing playing around right now. You got some really nice support right here. And when it bounced off this is where this was the trade right here. Let's move. Pulled back now, and if we break this market structure, it could be the continuation to the upside. And I see this going from this zone to this zone. You see, I mean, this whole time it's just bouncing in this area. So now that it's bounced down here, we may come up to test this area. At least that's the probability, even though we see this trend right here, bearish trend. But we've seen that here. Oh. It's pushed up. Seen that over here. Pushed up. Seen that over here. Pushed up. So now that it's kind of basically broken it, right? Broke it right here. Our extra confirmation is going to be break of market structure. Once we break that, then we can call some buys. All right, GJ, what are you doing? Trying to go bullish? Chilling? DJ hoeing around a bit. Yeah, I mean it's wicking down. It's a good thing, but like we need large candle bodies as well. Still got 22 minutes. Could just be creating the wick to the top. Hopefully it doesn't go up too high. Got me out. Are we bullish on gold? Yeah, like I said, you know, it's not so much that we're, I mean, on the short term here, we're bullish. But this trend right here has been broken. So we're bullish on that behalf. But like I said, I'm going off the basis that we've been ranging in this zone, in this area, since the 15th of April, middle of the month, right? Just comes and touches the zones, touches zones, touches zones, touches zone. So I have that notion that this is gonna go to come and try to touch the zone. So while it's coming to touch the zone, we can have levels where we take profits. But really, like, you know, once we see a breakout of these areas, then we should have some crazy move, like just dropping or flying up above 1800. But remember, we don't predict price, we just react to it. And right now, you can see that we've been pushing up. Like we pushed up earlier today, pull back, pulling back up. Wonder if it's probably then came down back into this zone. Once we got that bullish confirmation, could have entered. Boom, nice little fib retracement. I mean, it's pushing. That's why earlier I had put this line right here, because I was like, this could be a break of this structure to push up to this level. But we can wait for this one. Break right here, continuation, nice clean traffic. While we're in GJ, you know, GJ, it already came down here, and I took partials, and I adjusted my stop loss to break even. So really, I don't have that risk on the table anymore. Hey, Kill It, see, did you enter on already? Yeah, on GJ, yeah, bro, we entered on GJ like 30 minutes ago in the last candle right here on this candle. Once this candle closed, I ended up entering right here, entering right there, and put our stops above here. We almost got stopped out. Didn't get stopped out, and then push down, hit or take profit 1, almost hit take profit 2. So right now on GJ, I'm at break even, and I've closed partials. Not being greedy, it's Friday, guys. We want to get in, get out as quickly as possible because it's Friday. So I called out a gold call today during the day. That was a win. This GJ here's a win. We've been just killing it. Killing it, baby. If you've gotten any value out of this, if you've taken any profit, if you've taken any of my trades, Telegram or not, or YouTube, make sure you smash the like button. This will help me gain some exposure and reach other people that need the help, other traders that need the help. Need that clarity, need that consistency and profitability. I'm here for it. Trying to help them all, baby. Let's go. Just a waiting game, being patient. We got London Open coming in 15 minutes. Oh, this thing pushed back up. It's back at entry. It closed me out. I had my stop loss break even already. Could just be pushing up before it continues down to the downside. If you're still in, I would be okay with it unless this candle breaks above this price and closes in this range again. Then I would probably get out. That's for the people that are still in. If you're already out, don't get back in. If you haven't got in, don't get in. Just letting you guys know, the people that are still in, because you know it could close above here before the stop and be back in the range, and you don't want to have any part of that. You want to be out, especially if it closes bullish engulfing. back down. Good morning, Steve. How's it going? Yeah, I already took profit 1, and it was like less than a pip away from take profit 2. I closed partials, adjusted my stop loss to break even, and it closed out my break even trade. So, but there's some people that are still in it that took this. It didn't hit stop, so it's still running right now. I don't suggest getting in at this time, because you kind of missed the entry here. And with these wicks, there could be a reversal coming sooner than later, especially because it's, you know, coming down to a level where there's some resistance. Here's a gold setup we're looking at. The GJ. I mean, I already took my profits, and I was closed out at break even. Good morning, Abdul. Hold on. Good morning. Good morning, guys. If you're new here, welcome to Lord Banks FX. I am Lord Banks. I live trade Forex Monday through Friday, 12:30 a.m. Central to 3:30 a.m. Central. Yeah, it's pretty good. I mean, we took this trade. I called out a gold trade on Telegram earlier today. Also took that win. I mean, it's been pretty nice past few trades. Looking good, looking good. I'll be right back, guys. Yo, I'm back. I'm back, and GJ is killing it. Look at that thing melted. Literally about 1 pip away from hitting take profit 3 now. Get smashed, take profit 1, 2, and 3. Fucking killing it, man. How many pips is this? Gone down about 20 pips. Man, I'm saying, dude, killing it. Hopefully you guys were able to make some profits on this. Take some profits, close partials. Do what you guys do. Gold is pushing down now. Could be creating a trend this way now. Push back, pull down, push back. Maybe it goes down to continuation to the downside now. I'd have to see a break of market structure down here. Consider that. London is open. BJ's still moving down. Guys, if you took this trade, make sure you put your stops to break even. Take some partials, do something. Take some kind of action. If you're new here, we already took a trade activated early on here. We did take profit on it. Adjusted stop loss to break even. Hit take profit 1, 2, and about a pip away from take profit 3. Definitely a win for today, for Friday. Really nice Friday. Quick move in and out. We don't want to be in the markets too long. I mean, it's Friday. I don't like holding trades over the weekend. I just jump in and out. But if you want to catch trades with me like this in the future, make sure you are subscribing and hitting that notification bell so you're notified when we go live. And don't forget to join the Telegram. Link is in the description. I send out trade ideas throughout the day on there as well, and analysis breakdowns and whatnot. I'm actually going to get off a little early today, guys. I'm going to call it. I've already made my money. I made my bag. I hope you guys made some profit, took some profits on here. We had a phenomenal week, phenomenal close to the month of April. You know, we had a record-breaking April, just like I usually do every April. So let's see if we can continue the streak for May. I'll see you guys Monday, 12:30 a.m. Central to 3:30 a.m. Central. We'll be trading for the month of May, the beginning of May, next week on Monday. I hope you guys have a blessed weekend. You know, try to get some rest, and if you can, get some chart time in. Look at the charts, review your trades, review your logs, and see where you can improve. If you have any questions, I'm here for it. Make sure you put it in the chat in the description. If you're watching this video afterwards, comment with your questions. If you need to send me a message, hit me up on Instagram. I'm on there available. Other than that, guys, thank you so much for joining. I appreciate it. If you like the stream, if you got any value, got any education, if you took any profits, make sure you like the video that way, and like the stream. That way we are gaining some more exposure and helping the other traders that need it. All right, peace, guys. Much love. See you guys Monday.